Apparently I don't know it either. So, product rule. What you've got to do, you're always going to have two things multiplied by each other, okay? So we've got like an x squared times by a log x, or you could have a sine x times by 4x squared or something like that. You're always going to have two things next to each other, and we need to be able to differentiate them. The way we do it, we label the first one with the letter u, and we label the second one with the letter v. So we look at them as two independent things, we differentiate those two things, and then we're just going to apply what the product rule is. So we say that u is equal to x squared, and v is equal to log x. You can certainly cut some of this workings out as you get better at it, but to start with, do it this way. Then we're going to differentiate u, so we're going to have du by dx. So we're just going to differentiate x squared, which becomes what? I'll tell you, 2x. Bring down the power, take one away. This is going well. So we do the same thing now with log. So this is completely new to you. So if you look at the notes pages, if you're asked to differentiate log, it just becomes 1 over x. So dv by dx is 1 over x. And then we've just got to apply the product rule. So the product rule tells us that dy by dx is equal to v times by du dx plus u times by dv dx. So that is the product rule, okay? That's what's written on the page before. And then it's just a case of putting the right things in the right places and timesing anything that can be timesed. So v is log x, and we're going to times that by x squared. Are you familiar with a dot as times? Yeah. Good. And then u is obviously x squared, and we're going to times that by 1 over x.
So why are we doing x squared then on the first one, and why do you not do x?
We are doing 2x, you're right. Well spotted, Ryan. Good job, someone's paying attention. So, we've literally just filled things in, and then anything we can tidy up, we will. The first one, we can't really do anything with it, but for mathematical correctness, we tend to put the 2x first and then the log x afterwards, okay? So if you've got something in a log, we tend to put the other bit first. This one we can tidy up a little bit, because x squared, this is in effect x squared divided by x, and obviously that will cancel with that, so then that just becomes plus x, and that is the end of the product rule. So it's split it into u and v, differentiate them separately, and then apply the product rule to it, and that's the end of it.